I have been really focusing on my fitness, and somebody at CrossFit will talk about CrossFit being so good and so helpful. And CrossFitters, and I am one, I was one, I actually went today. I love CrossFit. CrossFitters might say that that's the best way to exercise. They might say that because we do a little bit of strength training and we do different movements every time. We're always mixing up the movements and the muscles, and we're always surprising the muscles. And that's really how you grow. And I know a lot of CrossFitters that have been doing it for, if they've been doing it for more than a year, and certainly if they've been doing it for more than 2 years, they probably look fantastic. They are probably able to do things that most of us can't do. They're probably able to do just fun acrobatic things. Like today, we did something called a muscle up. Look it up. Look up a muscle up. Go find this on YouTube or something and see what it is. They are not easy. And that was part of the workout. And so I did some muscle ups today. And what I'm saying is CrossFit is going to get you healthy and fit. It's going to allow you to have a variation of different things. So you can do some cardio. You can definitely do some strength training. You can do some HIIT workouts. You can do some high intensity stuff like HIIT workouts. You can do a variation of things. You can lift this way. You can lift that way. You do some power lifting. You do some Olympic lifting. You do some gymnastics. You do some cardio like running and biking and rowing. You do all of those things, and you are an all around very, very healthy person. And so a CrossFitter is going to say, this is the best way. And then you look at somebody who just does this type of workout or that type of workout, or you even narrow it down to just CrossFit, and you find out that almost no two gyms are programming the same workouts each week. And so it's like, well, how could that one work? And how could that one work? How could the carnivore diet work? And how could the vegan diet work? How could the bodybuilding diet work? And when you go even deeper to bodybuilding, I put together an idea of a 5-day workout split. And I gave it to I think 4 people that I trust. And one of them said, that's perfect. They agreed with me. Another one said, that's never going to work. You have to get the result that you're looking for, you have to do this and this and this. And another one basically said it was so far off that it's not going to work. Here's the thing. If you are moving and exercising, you're going to get fitter than if you're staying stagnant. And it's interesting. You could follow all of the diet advice. You could follow all of the, all the lifting advice. You could do this person's workout or that person's workout. They're probably going to work because you're cutting out you're cutting out the bad stuff. When you are focused and motivated on doing this, you're probably cutting out the other things.